In this video, I will guide you how you can fix Roblox error code 268 on your mobile phone. Whether you are using iPhone or Android, the steps will going to be similar. So the first step is a simple restart. So a simple restart on your Roblox application might help you because sometimes a fresh start can help. You need to make sure to try restarting the Roblox app first, and if that doesn't work, you need to make sure to restart your entire device. Now once you restart your entire device, sometimes small glitches and error can resolve automatically. Next step is uninstall any kind of cheat program. Error 268 often occurs if you have a cheat software running while playing your Roblox. Make sure to uninstall any kind of suspicious application on your device as well. If you are banned, simply open up your Roblox and log into your account. Now, if you are banned, you won't be able to log in at all. If you believe it's a mistake, you can appeal the ban through the Roblox support. Next step is you need to verify your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. Fluctuations or connectivity issues can trigger error code 268. If needed, try connecting via Ethernet, or you can also switch to your cellular data. Next step is check your Roblox status by opening up any browser that you are using, and then you just need to search for Roblox status. Now once you search for the Roblox status, make sure to go for the official one and see if there is a worldwide issue. And yes, if there is a worldwide issue, you need to wait at least 24 hours. If there are reports going on, you need to make sure to at least give it a try or go with the 24 hours time period, and it should resolve automatically. Hope this helped. This is how you can fix Roblox error code 268 on your mobile.